Toilet video take two. We're draining the tank because we shut the valve, so now after you flush, the water is not going back in, which is good. I learned how to take out a toilet on Valentine's Day 2 years ago. So every year on Valentine's Day, I celebrate my anniversary of toilet removal. It's a very special time for me. So we're coming up on 2 years. Very excited to celebrate.
That's so good.
There's really no limit to what these Tim Hortons cups can do. And then when it gets low, I use my knife and I cut the cup in half. This is the shot glass version of taking out a toilet. Thorough.
I see you use a McDonald's cup. Is that superior over Tim Hortons cup?
Their coffee is, yes, but I'm not gonna lie, the cup doesn't fit as well as the Tim Hortons ones do. So, I don't know, it's a tie.
So romantic. So intimate, you know? So close to people. So these little caps are just sitting there, hiding the hardware. Well, that broke. So I'll tilt back, you slide under. Okay.